Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Thelma. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you my very simple Sobolo recipe. This drink is also called Zobo or Sorrel drink. This is very nutritious. So let's get started on how to make this delicious drink. So I have my ginger, saline and cloves, pineapple, white sugar, and my Bissap, hibiscus or sorrel leaves, of course. So this is how the leaves looks like when it's dry. This is the dry hibiscus leaves. This is how it looks like. So I'm going to begin by washing it, and this is how it looks like after washing. You can see it's already removing color on my fingers. So now I'm going to cut my ginger up and blend it. I'll be blending it with some of the pineapple. Guys, most people just put the ginger in the drink and boil it. You can also do that. I am going to be blending mine because I really want to feel the ginger sensation in the drink. I really love it. So I'm going to be blending it. But if you don't want to feel the ginger too much, you can decide to eliminate the ginger completely or just put it in the water to boil. So I'm adding my leaves, the pineapple peels, the blended ginger and pineapple, and then I'll be adding my saline and cloves. After this, I'm just going to rinse the blender with some water and add it, and add some more water. Give everything a very good stir and bring it to a boil. This smells so good at this point. All the flavors have fused together and the scent is just, oh my god, out of this earth. So after it is boiled very well and everything has come off, I'll sieve it, and you can see I have put another net on the sieve. This is because I want to sieve it very well. No, because I blended the pineapple and the ginger, this drink is going to tend to have a lot of particles which we do not want. So I want the sieving to be very fine, and you can see this is some of the particles from the drink. Okay, so now we stir everything and add the sugar. After I make sure my sugar is dissolved very well, I'll transfer it into this jug for keeps. After transferring, I'm adding some sliced lemon to it. This is going to add more nutrients and more flavor to it. Then I freeze it, and our drink is ready. Guys, this drink is so delicious. It is so tasty. You should try it out. And the best part is it is very nutritious, and it can even boost your immune system. Yes, it contains components that boost our immunity. So guys, this drink is just everything. It is called Sobolo in Ghana, Zobo in Nigeria, and then Sorrel drink somewhere in the Caribbean. And as you can see, I have poured some in wine glass. That is because yes, it is my Ghanaian wine. So please try it out. Make sure you try this recipe. It is very simple. Everyone can do it. Please make sure you try it. Take a picture or a video and tag me. Till our next video. Bye. XO.